Ever felt that political loyalty tug? Picture this: you support for a candidate, aligning with your values, until, plot twist, new info unveils actions that clash with your core beliefs. Now the real test begins. How do you reconcile admiration with disapproval? Do you downplay, reinterpret, or go as far as reconsidering your support? The struggle is real, and we've all been there. So, I ask you, when faced with political dissonance, what's your move? This is cognitive dissonance, a psychological phenomenon that we all experience, more often than we realize. It's that uncomfortable feeling when your actions don't match your values, or when new information challenges long-held beliefs. This mental tug-of-war is more common than we might think, and it has a name: cognitive dissonance. The term cognitive dissonance was first coined by psychologist Leon Festinger in the 1950s. In the throes of post-war America, Festinger proposed a groundbreaking theory. He believed that individuals are driven by a desire for internal consistency. When our beliefs, attitudes, or behaviors conflict, it creates a mental discomfort, a dissonance. This discomfort motivates us to alleviate the tension, to reconcile the conflict, to restore cognitive harmony. So we now know where the concept of cognitive dissonance comes from, but how does it manifest in our everyday lives? From deciding which brand of cereal to buy, to choosing a political party to support, cognitive dissonance is at play in every decision we make. It's like a constant tug-of-war in our minds, as we juggle conflicting thoughts and beliefs. Take, for example, a health-conscious individual who craves a sugary donut. There's a clash between the desire for a sweet treat and the commitment to a healthy diet. Cognitive dissonance also plays a significant role in our social and cultural interactions. Imagine being part of a group where your personal beliefs are at odds with the group's norms. This conflict can create a pressure to conform, leading to a state of dissonance. Sometimes, societal expectations can induce cognitive dissonance. Let's consider a person who's grown up in a culture that values wealth, but they personally find fulfillment in simplicity. This clash of values can lead to a state of mental discomfort. While cognitive dissonance can be uncomfortable, there are ways we can resolve these internal conflicts. When faced with cognitive dissonance, our brain uses several strategies to restore balance. We may adjust our beliefs, rationalize our actions, or seek out new information to align conflicting thoughts. This adaptability is a testament to the human mind's resilience, but it's not without its pitfalls. At times, we might dismiss valuable information or cling to outdated beliefs just to maintain cognitive harmony. Understanding cognitive dissonance not only provides insight into our own behavior, but also helps us understand and empathize with others. Cognitive dissonance, a fascinating aspect of human psychology, influences our decisions, beliefs, and behaviors. Throughout our journey today, we've seen how this mental tug-of-war shapes our actions, from the eco-warrior's contradictory lifestyle to our everyday choices. We've explored its origins, its impact, and the strategies we employ to restore cognitive balance. By recognizing and understanding cognitive dissonance, we can better navigate the complexities of our thoughts and decisions. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating realms of psychology and behavior.